Welcome to the practice exam section. What this means is that you've gone through and studied all the conceptual knowledge. You then went through the labs and applied that knowledge, and you're ready to practice. Also, you can go through these questions with a certain mentality. And the mentality I'd like to propose is to think about always taking the exam twice. What this means is that if you always assume that the first time you take it's going to be very difficult and you have very low expectations, but you'll pass it the second time, this means that you'll have a great ability to overcome adversity, and you'll practice being in a situation where you don't have to worry about what the outcome will be. A lot of times that stress level that you've reduced will allow you to do better on the exam. So that's just one tip that I've noticed, and I think it's a good strategy as you go through this practice exam. Take off the pressure, think you're going to do the exam twice. A lot of times you'll surprise yourself and you'll pass it, but if not, it's not a big deal. You can always take it again.